Morning guys, June 18th, 2025. This one I got a call from a lady I've worked for a bunch of times. She got a problem with one of her toilets in the basement leaking. There's quite a bit of water around the back of the toilet, so she can't shut the valve off and call me in a panic. But I'm heading over there now. Miss Molly, I got Miss Molly this morning with me. Gotta catch her. She likes me to try to catch her in the morning if I want to go to work. So water off, and the shut off was not holding. It was leaking from this top nut. Oh, you can see it's got a split in it. The nut's got a split in it, this plastic nut. And you can see the water damage. Well, I gotta change this valve too. It's got a pit in it right there. And it's all green. But the nut split. I don't know if you can see it or not, but see that line right there? I want to put a new. I gotta change this. This is a real high end. This all fucking peeled and shit. It's been leaking for a while down here. It's all soaked. Probably an insurance job. I'm gonna change that valve too. That flange out of there. It'd be better if I could get some heat on it. Might have to get my grinder out, grind that off there. This is a low spot of the cellar, and I don't think they got the house off, but it hasn't been drained back. It was probably holding a vacuum. I might be able to get it out now. Alright, drain some water out of the water heater. Got all the valves open, everything in the house is open. Gotta get the flipping thing to you gotta get the thing to stop dripping, or it won't, so you can't do it. It's always difficult to get in here because the toilet's in the way. Was a problem because the toilet's in the way. Gonna be like a flipping snake, man. Ow. He's a hot one. Give that a minute to cool off, and we'll get the new valve ready. Hey. Make sure it's clean good if you're gonna solder it. We get a nice He's a leaker. He's a leaker. What a bitch. I don't. These things, I'm not the biggest fan of these valves. I'm not the biggest fan. These always seem to give me a struggle going on for some reason. Some reason or another. Always a fucking struggle. You know, never easy. I don't know why. It's such a fucking problem. Always a fucking problem. I don't know why, but always a fucking struggle to get it on there. Always a fucking struggle. Always a flipping struggle. I'll take it apart in case there's water in there, it'll steam out. If not, could have an issue with it. Take this out. There's any water will steam out. Cramping my style here, Mama. Cramping my style. She has one crusty one. Whew. A flipping workout right there. Wow. Let that cool and then we'll put it back together. This is all tile, I'm not worried about ruining the floor. I'll have to check, see if we got any leaks when we turn the water on. Shouldn't be, but you never know. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of these valves. Not really, but it is what it is. We'll check it before we slide that on, make sure there's no leaks. got pretty good luck with these flex supplies are pretty good. They're pretty heavy duty nut on them, so. I like these, what was the name of them? Fluid Master. The Fluid Master Pro, I think. They're pretty good. These are pretty good ones. They got little wing nuts where you could just grab onto them and tighten them by hand. They're pretty good. Haven't had any issues with them, so I'll turn the water on and check it. Wow, it's a lot of work. Just a lot of work. I replaced this for them a while ago, a couple of years ago. Already 2 years. We're gonna turn the water back on. All those faucets are off upstairs, so. I did split this here. Let some water out. Hopefully I got no leaks. It'll go slowly. Fill it slowly. A lot of pressure here. So it's flush too, so I mean, it'll take a little while. Just want to make sure I got no flipping leakers. There's a leaker. No, she looks good. No leaks. Push that back. Once you give it, you don't want to just open it and do it slowly, you know. It's a lot of volume. You don't want to blow nothing apart here, Mama. Be reasonable. Alright, no leaks. A lot of pressure. A lot of pressure down here. No leaks. That's good.